In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to make this delicious Haitian recipe. Welcome to Emma HT Food with another homemade recipe. Hello guys, how you doing? So I'm gonna be making pigeon peas with pumpkin, white rice and legumes. So this is all the ingredients that I'm gonna be using to make this recipe. So I'm gonna start first by putting the pumpkin in the oven for about 45 minutes to an hour. So meanwhile, I'm gonna start by cleaning up the turkey. Here I have like two kind of turkey, one salted turkey and fresh turkey. I like to mix it. It gives like more flavor into the legumes. So if you never try this, you need to try this, guys. And then it's important to start by cleaning up the meat very well. After cleaning up with vinegar and limes, now I'm gonna add it in hot water. So before that, I'm gonna put the peas, boiling the peas and adding a piece in the piece. Now I put the meat in boiled water for a few seconds. After that, I take it off and put it back into the pan. Added some lemon on it, not a lot, and some Haitian épices. It's important to have your Haitian épices. Is the key. If you want your food to come out well seasoning, you need this Haitian épices, guys. Now I'm adding some Maggi, some paprika, some chili powder, all the season needed, and I'm adding some hot pepper. It's very important, guys, and some parsley, thyme, some fresh pepper. So meanwhile the meat is cooking, the piece, it's already cooked. It doesn't take too long to be cooked. So I'm gonna blend it up with the pumpkin. That's how I'm gonna be making the puree, guys. So I'm gonna blend it up. Once I finish, I will add all the seasoning in there and a little bit more Haitian épices on it. So you see how it looks, guys. It looks so so good, guys. It looks yellow. The color is so nice, and this is one of the most delicious Haitian food, guys. If to make this food, it requires some time, but when it's also delicious and healthy, guys. And I add some hot pepper, some cloves, some parsley and thyme on it, some season. I don't have to add Maggi on it. I like to add some season and salt. And now the meat is cooked, I'm gonna add the legume into the gravy that came from the meat. So I'm gonna let it cook in the gravy, guys. Cover it up very well. So when you're making legume, you need to cover it up very well, guys. So this is what I use to cover it up, some foil. So now I had put some peas on the side to put. It's always important, and then adds a tablespoon of sugar. It's very important, guys. And the legume is cooked now. Start by frying some shrimp. I like to add some shrimp onto the legume to add more flavor, guys. If you never tried this, you need to try this definitely. I'm frying the shrimp for a few minutes with a punch of salt, not a lot, just a little bit. And after that, I take it off and I fry some tomato paste. If you used to watch my video, I always start making my legume like that. Fry some tomato paste and then add some fresh tomato and adding some gravy from the meat and the legume. And now the legume is almost ready, guys. Once you done this step, like you fry everything, you just have to add the legume and then let it dry a little bit. You can, if it's missing some salt, do not add the exact amount of salt like you need. Like it doesn't have to have a lot of salt, guys. As long as you add like meat and shrimp on it to the legume, it's like that. You don't have to add a lot of salt, a lot of Maggi. You just have to add enough meat on it so it can taste good. You can add some shrimp for more flavor and add a little bit of onion at the end, guys. That's the key, guys. And look at this, guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel, guys. Look at the puree, guys. It was so delicious, guys. When I tell you I enjoy it, You need to try this, guys. Enjoy.